segment is for the engine information on my 2001 Dodge Ram 5.9 Cummins diesel. The engine is stock. It has 283,000 miles on it. It pulls strong. It's never been chipped. The turbo is stock, and really no major engine work has been done. The water pump has been replaced, which I've been told was rare. In any case, it's replaced. Other than that, I've kept good oil in it, and it has plenty of power. The truck has never done any towing, so I'm sure that saved a lot of the truck from abuse. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it. Ready for the next one?